Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. In the following question, select the number which can be placed at the sign of asterisk from the given alternatives. Now, when we observe these numbers, we see that 104 is equal to 8 plus 8 into 3 into 4. So that is equal to 8 3s are 24, 24 4s are 10, 24 4s are 96, 96 plus 8 is 104. Similarly, in the second column, we can say 21 is equal to 7 plus 7 into 2 into 1. So 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 7 is 21. So using the same logic, we can find number at the asterisk mark as 4 plus 4 into 2 into 6, which is equal to 4 2s are 8, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 4 is 52. So number at the asterisk is 52. Answer is option C.